Hey there, Brixers and Lego friends! And Emmett and Wildstyle just brought in a parcel for me. So the FedEx girl just brought it, and we're going to open it now and see what's inside. Not the easiest thing to do with only one hand, but we are going to do it anyway. We are going to conquer this. We know it is Lego because it's from the Lego shop at home. And they give us lots of bubble wrap. Yay for bubble wrap. Oh, I got a blue one. And I may already have that, but it doesn't matter. Alright, so. Okay, so we got the Ron Weasley and Albus Dumbledore brickheads. And I didn't know this was a brickhead, but it is the Thanksgiving turkey. The turkey was on sale, so a family member wanted the turkey. So, and got a keychain of a mountain ranger, which looks like the Royal Canadian Mounted Police. So we will actually use that for such in the amusement park. And I never had the Star Wars character Finn as a minifigure, so I got him now. And he's a keychain, but we'll cut that top off and file that top down, and we'll have our minifigure to put on display. So that's about it for the haul here. Not very much, only 4 items, but all in all, that's still pretty nice. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.